write the inequality. So one of the things on the test that you will have to do is not only will you be given an inequality, and then they'll say, pick the graph that says this. They may also just give you a graph, and they'll say, which inequality goes with this? And you'll have to pick the one that goes with it. So let's go ahead and try that. Let me erase this. And let's go ahead and do it for number A. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to show you how to write this. The first thing you want to notice is where the mark is located, either a closed circle or an open circle. And this one looks like it's at the mark of 6. So you're going to want to start with 6. You're also going to want to insert an x for a variable. So you can just go ahead and put it on either side. It really doesn't matter if you want to write it to the right of 6, or if you want to write it to the left of 6. It really doesn't matter. I like to write them on the left, only because I'm going to read it in my mind from left to right, and I'm going to say the answers. That's how I like to say that. I like to say the answers are either greater than or less than 6. So let's notice. So one thing is that do you notice that the arrow is pointing to the left? Well, that's less than. Okay. So if the answers are less than 6, then that means that it's going to be facing this way, where the answers are less than 6. And again, that's how we want to read this. The answers are less than 6. Now, also notice that, do you notice that it's a closed circle? Well, that means that they can be 6. The answers can be 6 and less. Well, that says the answers are less than or equal to. So you're going to have to insert a little line underneath that inequality symbol. Let's try it again. Let's do this one. Okay. So again, the mark is at 6, and I want to put a variable in there like that. Now, do you notice that the answers are highlighted to the right of 6? Well, that's greater. Greater than. So my answers are bigger than 6. So when I write this, I want to say the answers are what? Greater than 6. Notice that the circle is open. That means that the answers cannot be 6. They can be 6.1, 6.2, but they cannot be 6. So I will not be putting a line underneath that inequality symbol.